If you want to have a great looking lawn, the secret is learning to deal with weeds and getting them out of your space. Now, of course, that's easy to say, but it's not simple to do because weeds are tough, and they also come in many shapes and sizes and a lot of varieties that need to be handled differently if you want to get them out of your grass. Now, professionals, they don't stress out about weeds because they know exactly what they're dealing with and they know how to control them. But as a homeowner, we don't have that same level of knowledge. And without being able to identify a weed, you really can't control it. Now, in the South, that's even more important because warm season grasses need very specific products for certain kinds of weeds. So you really want to be able to identify them so you can figure out the best way to get rid of them. You can go online for help, but you're going to find too much help. There are so many pictures of weeds, you'll never figure out what you've got because they try to capture all the weeds on the planet. What I wanted to do was focus in on the most common weeds that you'll find in your lawn and your landscaping. So I went ahead and created a tool that can help you identify your weeds. And I wanted to make it easy so it's completely visual. You just match up your weed to one of the pictures and now you know exactly what the name of the weed is that you've got. Once you've got that, you can figure out how to control it. And you can access the tool from either a computer or your mobile phone. So now when you're outside, you can match up that weed picture and figure out exactly what you've got. So I hope you'll visit my website at www.silvercymbal.com. Just click on the button that says weeds and you'll be able to use the visual weed guide anytime you like. Additionally, I've got some recommendations on products that you can use to control weeds, but the most important thing is identifying what you've got. So hopefully you'll get a chance to use it, but if not, at least you know it's there for the future. I want to thank you for watching and I hope you have a great spring.